With the arrival of the rainy season, nature transforms into a lush, vibrant landscape filled with color and life. Abundant rainfall and cooler temperatures create ideal conditions for seasonal flowers to bloom. These hardy plants thrive effortlessly, adding beauty and freshness to gardens, balconies, and outdoor spaces during monsoon months. Let's quickly explore the top 10 monsoon flower plants to grow. Moss rose, Portulaca grandiflora, is a beautiful, low-growing flowering plant that flourishes during the monsoon season. It produces bright, rose-like blooms in a variety of colors including pink, red, yellow, and white. The plant has thick, succulent leaves that store water, making it highly drought-tolerant and perfect for hot, humid climates. Moss rose grows well in sunny spots with well-drained soil and requires minimal maintenance. It is ideal for garden borders, containers, rock gardens, and hanging baskets. Blooming continuously throughout the season, moss rose adds a vibrant, cheerful touch to any outdoor space and is loved for its resilience and charm. Zinnia, Zinnia elegans, is a popular flowering plant known for its bold, bright blooms and ability to thrive during the monsoon season. It produces daisy-like flowers in a wide range of colors, including red, pink, yellow, orange, and white. Zinnias prefer full sunlight and well-drained soil, and they bloom profusely with minimal care. These hardy annuals are perfect for garden beds, borders, and pots, attracting butterflies and adding vibrant charm to outdoor spaces. Their quick growth and long-lasting flowers make them a favorite among gardeners looking to enhance their landscapes during the rainy months with consistent and colorful blossoms. Rain lily, Zephyranthes, is a charming monsoon-blooming plant that produces delicate, lily-like flowers in shades of pink, white, or yellow. True to its name, it often blooms soon after rainfall, bringing sudden bursts of color to gardens and pots. This low-maintenance bulbous plant thrives in well-drained soil and enjoys partial to full sunlight. Rain lilies are ideal for borders, rock gardens, and containers, and they naturalize easily over time. Their graceful appearance and ability to flower multiple times during the season make them a favorite choice for enhancing garden beauty during the rainy months with minimal effort. Cosmos, Cosmos bipinnatus, is a graceful, easy-to-grow flowering plant that thrives beautifully during the monsoon season. Known for its delicate, daisy-like blooms in shades of pink, white, and purple, Cosmos adds a soft, airy charm to any garden. It grows well in well-drained soil and loves full sunlight, making it ideal for monsoon planting. The plant's feathery foliage and tall, slender stems give it a light, elegant appearance. Cosmos is low maintenance and attracts butterflies and pollinators, making it a great addition to eco-friendly gardens. Blooming continuously, it brings long-lasting color and vibrancy throughout the rainy season. Hibiscus, Hibiscus rojasinensis, is a tropical flowering plant celebrated for its large, vibrant blooms and year-round beauty, especially during the monsoon season. The flowers come in a variety of colors, including red, yellow, pink, and orange, and attract pollinators like butterflies and hummingbirds. Hibiscus thrives in warm, humid conditions with plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil, making the rainy season ideal for its growth. Often grown as a shrub or in containers, it's widely used in ornamental landscaping. In addition to its visual appeal, hibiscus also holds cultural, medicinal, and spiritual significance in many regions around the world. Canna lily, Canna indica, is a striking tropical plant known for its bold, colorful flowers and lush, broad foliage. It flourishes during the monsoon season, thriving in moist, well-drained soil and full to partial sunlight. The plant produces vibrant blooms in shades of red, orange, yellow, and pink, making it a stunning addition to gardens and landscapes. Its tall stature and ornamental leaves add a dramatic touch to borders, flower beds, and large containers. Canna lily is low maintenance and fast-growing, often blooming continuously through the rainy months. It is also valued for its ability to attract butterflies and pollinators. Sunflower, Helianthus annus, is a tall, vibrant flowering plant admired for its large, golden yellow blooms that resemble the sun. It thrives in the monsoon season, as the combination of moisture and ample sunlight supports rapid growth and flowering. Sunflowers grow best in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil and require full sunlight to produce their iconic flower heads. These cheerful blooms follow the sun's movement, a phenomenon known as heliotropism, especially in their budding stage. Often grown in fields, gardens, and pots, sunflowers not only add beauty but also attract pollinators and birds. They symbolize positivity and are also valued for their seeds and oil. Wishbone flower, Torrenia fournieri, is a charming, shade-loving annual that thrives beautifully during the monsoon season. It produces trumpet-shaped flowers in shades of violet, blue, pink, and white, often with contrasting throats. The flower gets its name from the unique wishbone-shaped stamens inside the bloom. Torrenia prefers moist, well-drained soil and flourishes in partial shade to indirect sunlight, making it ideal for balcony gardens, hanging baskets, and borders. It blooms profusely throughout the rainy season and requires minimal maintenance. Its compact growth and colorful, long-lasting flowers make it a delightful addition to monsoon gardens and shaded outdoor spaces. Nasturtium, Tropaeolum majus, is a vibrant, easy-to-grow flowering plant that flourishes during the monsoon season. It features round, shield-shaped leaves and bright, funnel-shaped flowers in shades of red, orange, and yellow. Nasturtiums prefer well-drained soil and full to partial sunlight, thriving especially well in the cooler, moist conditions of the rainy season. They are commonly grown in garden beds, containers, or as trailing plants in hanging baskets. Apart from their ornamental appeal, both the leaves and flowers are edible, adding a peppery flavor to salads. Their natural ability to repel pests also makes them excellent companion plants in gardens. Plumbago, Plumbago auriculata, is a fast-growing, flowering shrub that thrives during the monsoon season. Known for its delicate clusters of sky blue or white flowers, Plumbago adds a soft, soothing touch to gardens and landscapes. It prefers full sunlight and well-drained soil, and flourishes in the warm, humid conditions brought by the rains. This hardy plant is ideal for hedges, borders, or as a climber when supported. Its long blooming period, low maintenance needs, and ability to attract butterflies make it a popular choice for monsoon gardening. Plumbago's subtle beauty and resilience make it a graceful addition to outdoor spaces.